In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between the straight texture and the curved texture lace wig for the scalp area. Let me show you this. This is the straight texture lace wig. As you can see, the scalp area, this crown, the top size is very averagely brushed out. You see, it's very average. Now I'm going to show you the difference for the texture lace wig. As you can see here, this is the texture lace wig, the loose deep wave. You can see this lace in between, right? You can see this big, a little big lace in between. Maybe people will think, why there are no hair in between? Let me tell you, there are hair actually. Let me show you this hand tie. You see, all the hand tie, all you can see the knot, all this knot. Actually, there are hair. Why it looks like this? Because of the artwork. After we use the straight hair to make the texture lace wig, how we make the texture for the lace wig, let me explain to you. We need to put some strands of hair out and pull some strands of hair out like this. Maybe before it's averagely brushed out, you cannot see the lace in between. But after we put the strands of hair out and we need to part it, just part it away, you see, to make the texture for, you see, this strands hair texture, right? This strands hair texture and this strands hair texture like this. We need to put the straight hair apart. As you can see, after we put it apart, you can see the lace in between, but still you see they are hand tied, they are not, so they are hair. Let me show you on the straight lace wig, then you understand better. You see, you cannot see the lace in between, right? It is very averagely brushed out. Let me show you. Our workers will need to pull some strands of hair out and pull some strands of hair out to use the tool to make different texture. After we pull it out, you see the lace in between now, right? You see the lace in between, but they are hand tie. All hand tie knots, they are hair, just because we just put it apart to show you the lace in between. But before that, you see for the straight hair, you come here. For the straight hair, you cannot see the lace in between. It's all natural, very average. No lace in between, just like you see. But after we pull it, then you see, we just pull some strands here apart, then you can see the lace in between. So just like I explained to you, we need to put some strands here, here, then pull it apart, then you can see a lace in between. But they are all hand tied, not on the lace, all hair. So after you receive the lace wig for the curl texture, you need to brush out. You just need to brush out this, brush out like this. You need to just brush out. You just need to brush out on the top, so it will feel more natural, better. So I hope you can understand why some people are talking about the so-called belting area. Actually, it's not belting. Actually, like I showed you just now, they are all hand-tied hair in between on the lace. And you see the lace color. Can you see this lace color? This is my skin color. This is my skin color. This is the lace color. Does it match my skin color? Because some people keep asking me about the transparent lace color. I told them we have two types of lace. One is medium brown, another one is light brown. But also some people will call it transparent. You see, it matches my skin color, this one. So This video just explained to you about the lace in between the hair for the texture lace wig and the average brush out straight lace wig. So you see why there are some difference now. So I hope you can learn about the texture, the so-called belting area actually is not, actually is already all hand-tie knots. So you learn this difference. What you are going to do is you just brush out a little bit and make it more natural for the curved lace wig. So I will see you in the next video.